7 Intoxicating facts about beer. 1. Ancient beverage. Beer is one of the oldest alcoholic beverages known to humanity. It has been produced for thousands of years, with evidence of beer brewing dating back to ancient civilizations such as Sumeria in Mesopotamia around 4000 BCE. 2. Reinheitsgebot. The Reinheitsgebot, also known as the German beer purity law, was enacted in 1516. It stipulated that beer could only be brewed with 3 ingredients: water, barley, and hops. This law played a significant role in shaping the beer industry and is still referenced today. 3. Global popularity. Beer is the third most popular drink worldwide, following water and tea. It is enjoyed in numerous cultures and has a wide variety of styles, flavors, and brewing traditions, ranging from light lagers to robust stouts and everything in between. 4. Beer strength. The alcohol content in beer is measured by the alcohol by volume, ABV, percentage. While most beers have an ABV ranging from 4% to 6%, there are strong beers that can have much higher alcohol content. Some specialty beers, like barley wines or imperial stouts, can reach ABV levels of 10% or more. 5. Beer and hops. Hops, a key ingredient in beer, not only contribute to its flavor and aroma but also act as a natural preservative. They were first introduced to beer brewing in the 9th century and have since become an integral part of the brewing process, adding bitterness, aroma, and stability to the final product. 6. Craft beer revolution. In recent decades, there has been a resurgence in craft brewing, leading to a craft beer revolution. Craft breweries focus on producing small batches of beer with an emphasis on quality, unique flavors, and experimentation. This movement has greatly expanded the variety and diversity of beers available to consumers. 7. Health benefits. In moderation, moderate beer consumption has been associated with several health benefits. It can potentially reduce the risk of heart disease, improve bone health, and provide some dietary nutrients like antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. However, it's important to note that excessive or irresponsible alcohol consumption can have detrimental effects on health. Moderation is key. Remember to drink responsibly and be aware of the legal drinking age in your jurisdiction.